I want to thank GT Junior Grows in Alaska and Mike's Chaotic Gardening. Thank you for putting together this indoor growing challenge. This is my first year entering the challenge, and it has been a pleasure. And it won't be my last. So I am here to wrap up this challenge. This is my last update for April the 4th. I've grown so many things, as you guys saw. Update for Thursday, February the 6th. Collards, tatsoi, thyme is doing well. Basil, lemon balm, doing well. Butter crunch lettuce is doing well back there. Alesia pepper, baby, she's doing amazing. Already buds on this plant. My pepper plant grew so well, but it was overshadowing some of the other plants in the system as they weren't getting adequate light. I decided to remove the pepper plant from the system and give it a new home in soil. I planted some things. I've harvested some things. I'm still dropping new seeds. This is moringa, this is petunia flower, tatsoi. Y'all know how I like them, young and tender. Here's more tatsoi, and as you can see, I've been harvesting from this a number of times. 3 plants in there growing at one time. I'm able to maximize the space here. Fire prairie tomatoes. I've got 3 tomato plants that will be going outdoors. Sierra Blanca onion. So I'm also playing around, seeing what grows well, what doesn't grow well. And so it's good to know that I can grow onions in here as well, or at least I'm starting them here. I'll transplant outdoors into my garden. I started something back here and I have no idea what it is. Time will tell. Back here we have some oregano. Marjoram is growing at its own pace, that's for sure. Sonato kale. This lemon balm is going nuts. Look at it. Look at the roots. They are going crazy. So I've definitely got to get lemon balm out of here. It's taking over this system here, which is not a bad thing, not a bad thing at all. You guys saw when I harvested the Chinese celery, and it needs to be harvested again. I will be doing that this week. Been loving this system. I've been loving growing hydroponically. I've been harvesting and eating a lot from my indoor garden. But I'm also using the indoor system to start my outdoor garden. It's so easy. So a lot of these plants will go outdoors. Like for instance, the Swiss chard. This will go outdoors. Once the weather is consistently 65, 70 degrees and up, I'll be moving a lot of these outdoors. Broccoli, and so look at that, it's doing well. Doing really well. Red Russian kale, one of my favorites, really hardy, holds up to cold weather. This is Jamaican sorrel, just planted those seeds. Broccoli, Romanesco, purple sprouting broccoli here, and the butterfly pea. Doing really well. I've been having a ball growing indoors, just dropping seeds like a mad woman. And nobody's gonna stop me. And so a lot of the Swiss chard that I started here in my hydroponics system, from water, using my hydroponics system to soil, has definitely been successful. So it can be done. You can go from water to soil. One tip that I got from Mike's Chaotic Gardening is to make sure that I water really well when you're transplanting from water to soil. I guess it's a way of tricking the plant into thinking that it's still in water. So I definitely make sure that I don't allow the soil to dry out too much. And yeah, they've transitioned well. I've been harvesting off of this stuff like so many times. You can like see where I've harvested here and harvested there. I am really pleased. Yeah, so this was my first time entering the challenge, and it definitely will not be my last. Thanks again for the opportunity. So as a first-time hydroponic grower, thanks so much for allowing me to share my first-time journey with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for encouraging and inspiring the OCD-ish chick. Peace out. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.